Hello, my name is Niel Eyde with Skyway Software, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Skyway Template Projects. I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to create a Skyway Template Project so that you can actually customize the code generation templates. Although we won't be doing any of the customization in this particular video, but I'll at least show you how to create those template projects. And then I'm going to show you how you can reconfigure one of your Spring MVC or Spring Webflow projects to actually use your new customized template project as the source for the code generation templates. So, but first, I guess a little background information is in order. When you are developing applications with the Spring DSL, the components in the Spring DSL are basically abstract representations of the application components that you're going to have in your system. And at some point in time, you're actually going to want to generate concrete representations of those components so that you can actually compile them and deploy them to your application server and run those applications. That's where the templates come into play. So what the templates do is they basically convert your abstract representations of these artifacts, which are stored in the Spring DSL metadata, and converts them into the concrete implementations like Java code, Spring components, Spring configuration files, XML files, etc., etc. The way that this is actually accomplished is in order to create a Skyway template project, there's a variety of ways of doing this, but I'm going to go ahead and right click here on the Project Explorer and select New, Other, and in the Skyway folder there is an option called the Skyway Template Project. I'll go ahead and call this Acme Generation Templates. And the next thing, it's going to actually ask me for an existing project that it can use as the source for the templates. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Order Tracker project, which is the only other Spring DSL project that I have in my workspace. And then I'll go ahead and click Finish. And now what it's going to do is taking all the templates that were used in that project, and it's actually putting them into a custom template project. And I can then open this template project and expand the templates folder and actually go in and customize any of the templates that I want in order to modify how the code is generated or how the Spring DSL components are converted into concrete artifacts. For example, if I go here and take a look at the webcontroller.jet, if I open this up, this is basically the template that's used to convert Spring DSL controllers into Spring MVC controllers. And the actual technology that's used for this is JET, which is a technology from the Eclipse Model to Text project, which makes it very easy to customize these templates. It's very similar to developing a JSP page, and it provides a very easy way of being able to customize the code generation, and it's leveraged by many different Eclipse-based projects, and Skyway Builder uses the same technology in order to convert the Spring DSL components into concrete artifacts. So now that I have I'm not actually going to make any modifications in this video, we'll save that for another video, but now that I have my custom template project, I can go ahead and make any changes to the templates, and once I'm ready, I can now go ahead and tell this Order Tracker project that I want to use the templates that are in here as opposed to using the default set of templates that are included in the Skyway Builder plugins. So the way that I do that is I expand the Order Tracker project, double click on the Spring DSL, and this brings up my project editor, and then I can switch to the Code Generation tab, and one of the options in the Code Generation tab is to specify the location of the customized templates. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on Select Project. I'll tell it to go ahead and use the Acme Generation Templates, click OK, and save. And now next time that I generate this application for the Order Tracker, it's going to use any of the customizations that I actually have made to the templates in the Skyway Template Project. So hopefully that gives you a good start if you're interested in customizing the code generation templates. This capability is something that's available in Skyway Builder Professional Edition. And in future videos, I'll be going into a little bit more detail and going through an example of actually modifying one of the templates and showing you the effect that it has, and and the power that's available through this capability. Thank you.